been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
In this episode, we explore the capital of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We visit Batu Cave and encounter so many playful macaques.
We are holding short of runway 13 for departure sequence, and as of now we are still number 7 for takeoff clearance.
We're still waiting on Manila airport for the airplane to take off. It looks like we're stuck in traffic. We've been all day in Manila in traffic. It looks like the traffic is not only outside of the airport, it's even in the airport itself. So we have to wait for another 30 minutes.
Once again, sorry for your inconvenience about a bit delayed on our departure due our sequencing, and expecting more or less 30 minutes or even more for delay from this time. So meantime, just sit back and fasten your seatbelt, and we'll just give an update if there will be any changes. And thank you for cooperation. Please bear with us.
So we're still waiting airplane to take off. It's about an hour waiting, and I don't know what to say, guys. Completes everything. We're still waiting for the airplane to take off. We're still here in Manila. So that's it, Lina, and then travel out.
Just arrived in Malaysia.
This is our first time here
In Kuala Lumpur.
and right now it's 1 o'clock after midnight.
We're gonna get a taxi and go to the hotel. So hopefully somebody's there to give us the key. Yeah, in a couple of hours it's gonna be exactly 24 hours without any sleep. Oh, beautiful. So we're going to the immigration now and then to pick up our luggages. Now we're waiting for the train to get to the baggage claim. So it says that the first bag is going to arrive in 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So we're waiting for the train to go and claim our baggage. We have arrived. We're waiting for the Grab to arrive so we can go to the hotel. It's 2:15 a.m. and we have like 30 minutes to there. We just arrived in the hotel and we're waiting for the... Oh, I guess that's him coming. The person to bring us the key.
Good morning. We arrived late to Kuala Lumpur last night.
And we're in Malaysia right now.
Behind us is the famous Twin Tower. This is actually the tallest Twin Tower in the world, Petronas Towers. in Kuala Lumpur.
I've been watching you from a distance as I turn.
So behind us right here, it's the Batu Caves.
And this is the biggest statue I ever seen in my life. I don't know how
Yes,
many
it's
feet is that.
enormous. So it's 272 steps to go to the top.
How many steps?
So it's 272 steps to go to the top.
So see you at the top.
See you at the top.
Every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Your true love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. Second, I will give up without a fight, even if you keep me guessing till the morning light. Yeah, I know I will learn it the hard way, 'cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me over again.
So let's go 272 steps to the cave. 40, 41, 42, 43.
Love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. Da 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 da. You got me on repeat. Da 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 I really hope we make it, but all the blame's on me. Oh, I wish I didn't love you. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Oh, your true love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. Da 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 da. You got me on repeat. away, 'cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Your true love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. You got me on I really hope we make it, but all the blame's on me. Oh, I wish I didn't love you, but every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again.